Today is the start of a nice big project for a cleaning sale. We've got the old Bridewell police station in Bristol. They haven't been in there for a few years now. I was going to show you, just laughing because there's some pictures on the wall, but I better not show you. And we've got 6 floors I think we need to do in there. There's one there. They're all parquet. They're in a bit of a mess at the moment, as you can see there. There's another one there. Down the corridor. It's been a notorious police station, this, in the centre of Bristol. Another one there. The electrician's still working in that one. Another one there. We're all going to be offices for a Wild Seed studio in Bristol, which do films. They make films. There's another one here. You can see, got all our stuff up the stairs now. I'm on a little journey upstairs for my boys, so fair play to them. Yeah, it's going to be a nice job. So I'll show you some pictures and everything as we go through it, but I hope you enjoy the video. Been away for a few days, but my boys have been carrying on doing the work, so fair play to them, and I thank you very much for it. The room now ready and prepped, ready for sanding. Adam's just finishing off the last room there. You can see this is making the wood lovely and fine, ready for putting on the oil. So I'll show you around. Got that room. This one's still locked actually, so got one last room there that just needs sorting out today. We'll get that finished. This large room's done. Looking nice. That's absolutely sound. And then we've also got this room here. A few marks everywhere, but it's not that bad. Right, close them down here nice and plump around there. That's the first room done, it looks stunning. You're going to be quite impressed with that. Oh yeah, I'm back in Bridewell police station. My lads have just completed, so I popped in to have a look. There's no light in the room yet. So as you can see, absolutely stunning. Done a really good job, my boys. It was 6 floors over 4 days, I think. That's in total. Get it in there, get it done quick.